Machiegni kendo jopuonj mawuok e riwruok mar KUPPET ogolo kwayo ne sirikal mondo mi okasre e timo nonro e wi nek mar Albert Ojwang manotho e lwet obila kaka okang' mar neno ni ratiro yudore mapiyo kane gitwak e romo mar moko misuma e chenro mar paro japuonjno. Romo manobagi kuonde mopogore opogore pacho ka. Jopuonjgo dwaro mondo Jalup Ogai mar Obila Eliud Lagat mondo ogwe tao. Armstrong Osutwa nigi ler mathoth.
Disappointed and frustrated by the fact that the police have gotten involved so much in extrajudicial killing. Many young people have been killed across the country. We want to empathize with the families of those who have lost their lives, and particularly the family of Albert Ojwang, who was a committed teacher. We are asking the government of Kenya, through His Excellency William Ruto, that it is important that he understands that death and killing of innocent people is a painful thing for people in this country.
As part of the teaching fraternity and members of KUPPET, we are saying as KUPPET that it should be down with injustice. We are saying as KUPPET it should be down with violence. We are saying as KUPPET it should be down with police brutality. We are saying as KUPPET there should be no more abduction and elimination of both young Kenyans, citizens across the board, be they teachers or any other law-abiding citizen.
Let us ensure that we don't kill Kenyans because they are speaking. Let Kenyans speak, and let us use what they tell us to correct the mistakes that are there in the government. This idea of killing people because they talk is not a good thing. And we encourage all Kenyans to continue speaking. I'm sure the government or whoever is killing people will not kill all of us.
What demand in investigations? Matimre oknyal tim gi police magin suspect. Gine michich kod ginne ginego Omondi. Ose kao jo police moko mathindo thindo obedo ochunge tich. Mano is not enough. What demand ni jo police go mondo omaki mondo gindik statement. To mango gin manomena. Gidhir Mbuta kae en Eliud Lagat. Eliud Lagat enga miluongo ni person of interest.
Baba, uogoko, baba chung mondi uo. Chung mondi uo kwa mor kaka jomatindo majoluka. Wanga, natimo negni ai county mari. Ai county mari, uurgine mana kunyoma na mula. Mondo puonjo nathini. Sani koro japuonjo to natimatin.
This is a time for teachers and all Kenyans to come together and offer prayers for the families distraught by police violence, shine a spotlight on the security threats that we all face, and collectively take action towards creating an open and equitable society that all Kenyans are entitled to.
We register our condolences. We are not happy on what's happening. We will not be happy on what's happening. And this is just a mourning day. We are waiting for something big if we are not satisfied with all the investigations going on. And then our union will stand still. Our union will stand in solidarity with the entire country.
Moko kuom jodak e kaunti ma Isiolo ose MCS magi kalure go kag magi kao madwaro